In today's video, I will walk you through how to change order of products in Shopify. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Products. After opening the Products section, select Collections. This will take you to the page where you can manage your product collections. At this point, you can either create a new collection or select an existing collection that already contains the products you want to organize. If you already have a collection that fits your needs, click on it to continue. Once you've opened the collection you want to work with, make sure the products you want to organize are included in that collection. If needed, add the products to the collection before moving on. After your products have been added to the collection, locate the Sort option. Click the drop-down menu and choose Manual. Selecting Manual allows you to control the exact order in which products appear inside that collection. As soon as you choose this option, drag handles will become available next to the products in the list. Now you can begin rearranging your products. Click and hold a product using the drag handle. Then, drag it to the position where you want it to appear. Release it when it reaches the desired location. Continue moving products until the entire collection is arranged the way you want. You can place products in any order by dragging them up or down within the collection list. Take your time reviewing the arrangement as you make changes. If a product needs to be moved higher or lower in the list, simply drag it again until it reaches the correct position. As you continue organizing the collection, make sure every product appears in the exact order you want customers to see when viewing that collection on your store. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, review the collection one final time to confirm that all products are positioned correctly. After confirming everything looks right, click Save. This step is important because it applies the changes you've made to the collection. Once the collection is saved, the products will appear in the order you've selected. That's all there is to it. Open Products, go to Collections, choose a collection, add products if needed, set the Sort option to Manual, drag and rearrange the products, and then click Save. Your Shopify collection will now display products in the order you selected. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.